Hi guys, what's up? Today with Sloth the Slimming. Today we are going to be doing the same recipe as what we did first time, but we added way too much salt. And salt melts if you add too much. So yeah, let's just get into it. So what you're gonna need is a little bowl, some dish soap or just soap, and then some salt. So first let's add in this soap. That's not over. And now just a pinch. Yeah. Then trying to stir. And then we might need you've got to stir it really well, guys. And then it should be it's just not coming together. You might want to add a bit more salt if it's kind of just like that. You need to be careful in this cupboard. So now I just added a bit more, and now I'm just going to It should get air bubbles in it. So I'm just going to go like this. So I'm just going to mix it in really well with this. It is coming. I feel like we should add a bit of time. So now we're just going to put it in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes.
Freezer?
Yeah, for 5 to 10 minutes.
Freezer?
Yes, freezer. Probably gonna freeze it. So guys, we'll
for 5 to 10 minutes.
We'll do a part
2 when we come back.
Sorry, this is so short. It's just
we don't really know how to edit.
Yeah, and it's a quick thing to do. So bye. See you in part 2.